The flu is not a common cold. Swine influenza. 1956, in China, a patient with fever and cough visited a hospital. A doctor diagnosed it as a common cold. But the following year, in 1957, a featured article published in the influential American news media. Thousands of Hong Kong people are infected with influenza virus. 100,000 people in Taiwan, 1 million people in India. The number of infections during only 2 months. But the worst part is, across the ocean, 10,000 kilometers away, it reached out to America. October of that year, Great Britain came up with a vaccine which resolved the crisis in the following year. This incident was later referred to as the Asian flu. It has killed 2 million people worldwide. The criminal of the mass murder is influenza virus. It causes problems not only in humans, but also in pigs. Swine influenza is a flu accompanied by high fever and cough. These symptoms are resolved quickly after 5 to 7 days. It is a highly contagious disease, but the mortality is low. A textbook explanation that keeps you off guard. But having skin flares huddled together facing each other, dozens of pigs. This picture gives us 2 things. First, skin flares and huddling means they are feeling cold with high fever and chills. Second, not a few, but the fact that dozens of pigs are infected with the same disease means the disease is highly contagious. Pigs with the flu, like humans, do not eat well while they are sick, and it directly leads to growth stagnations, which causes a significant economic loss to the farm. Also, when a pregnant sow gets infected with influenza, high fever abnormally increases the maternal hormones during the farrowing, resulting in stillbirths, infertility, or giving birth to weak piglets. Furthermore, if other bacteria or viruses are infected together, the problem gets much worse. Fortunately, there is an effective influenza vaccine with proven efficacy. However, since there are many different types of influenza virus, checking the types of influenza viruses in your farm and choosing the right types of vaccine accordingly are very important. Since all age groups are prone to the infection, both gilts and piglets should get vaccinated. Swine influenza. If we stick to the basics, we shouldn't have any problems.